Ever wished your smartphone could read your mind? Your dreams are about to become reality. Journey with us as we uncover the revolutionary transformation about to hit the smartphone world. Now imagine a world where your smartphone isn't just a tool, but a smart companion that understands you, adapts to your needs, and even thinks ahead for you. Welcome to the revolutionary AI features of the iPhone 16 series. As rumors swirl and anticipation builds, we're on the cusp of a new era in mobile technology. The iPhone 16 series, set to debut next year, expected to come with exclusive generative AI features which will be the key selling points for these new devices. But what exactly does this mean? While the specifics of these AI features remain under wraps, we can speculate on their potential functionalities based on existing AI technologies. Picture this. You're drafting an email, and your iPhone generates an image based on your text, adding a visual element to your communication. Or you're faced with a lengthy document and your iPhone summarizes it for you, saving you valuable time. Further, imagine being in a foreign country and having your iPhone translate content for you in real time. These are the kind of capabilities we're talking about here. It's not just about convenience but about enhancing your overall mobile experience, making your iPhone an indispensable part of your everyday life. And it doesn't stop there. Apple is rumored to be using its own LLM model to upgrade Siri, its voice-activated assistant. This could mean a more intuitive, more responsive, and even more human-like Siri. Imagine a Siri that doesn't just respond to your commands, but anticipates your needs, learns from your habits, and evolves with you. With the iPhone 16 series, Apple is pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. It's not just about hardware anymore. It's about integrating AI to make the smartphone a smarter, more intuitive, and more personalized tool. So, as we look forward to the dawn of a new era in mobile technology with the iPhone 16 series, we're not just talking about a new smartphone, we're talking about a sophisticated AI companion that's designed to understand you, adapt to your needs, and think ahead for you. With the iPhone 16 series, Apple is not just selling a smartphone, they're offering a sophisticated AI companion unlike any other on the market. Innovation doesn't always mean reinventing the wheel. Sometimes it's about enhancing the wheel to perform better, smarter, and more intuitively. That's the direction Apple has taken with the iPhone 16 series. Bucking the trend of constant hardware upgrades, Apple has chosen to take a strategic detour with the iPhone 16 series. The focus isn't on a bigger screen, a thinner body, or a more robust camera, though rest assured these aspects have not been neglected. Instead, the star of the show is something far more invisible and yet infinitely more impactful: artificial intelligence. The iPhone 16 series may not come with major hardware changes, but that's not to say it's lacking in innovation. Far from it. The shift in focus from hardware to AI is a testament to Apple's foresight and commitment to delivering a more intuitive and personalized user experience. This forward-thinking approach is evident in the universal introduction of the Apple A18 chip across all four models of the iPhone 16 series. This advanced chip is the powerhouse behind the exclusive generative AI features that are set to be the key selling points for these new devices. While we don't have specifics yet, we can safely assume that these AI features will offer capabilities such as text-to-image generation, document summarization, and content translation, among others. Apple's strategic shift to AI is not just about keeping up with the Joneses, it's about shaping the future of mobile technology and setting new benchmarks for user experience. It's about understanding that in an increasingly digital world, hardware is just the shell. The real magic lies in the software, in the algorithms, in the AI that powers it all. So while the iPhone 16 series may not boast of a radical new design or groundbreaking hardware features, it offers something far more valuable: a smarter, more intuitive, and highly personalized user experience powered by advanced AI features. Apple's focus on AI over hardware changes is a bold step into the future, promising an unparalleled user experience. But what about the pro users? Well, Apple hasn't forgotten about you. The iPhone 16 series comes equipped with features that will take your user experience to a whole new level. One of the most exciting new features for pro users is the capture button. Located conveniently on the right side near the power button, this little addition has the potential to revolutionize the way you interact with your device. Imagine being in the middle of an important call, and being able to capture a screenshot or record a clip at the press of a button. Or, what about taking a quick snap without having to navigate through your phone? The capture button opens up a world of seamless interaction. offering a shortcut to capture life's moments without missing a beat. Now let's talk about dynamic islands. Apple has reportedly made these smaller in the iPhone 16 series. You might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, dynamic islands are essentially the interactive elements that appear on your screen. By reducing their size, Apple is likely aiming to give you a more streamlined, clutter-free user interface. This could mean a more efficient use of screen space and potentially quicker access to your most used apps and features. And of course, we can't forget about the camera. Pro users, get ready to level up your photography game. The iPhone 16 Pro device is rumored to feature a 5x optical zoom camera. This means you'll be able to capture sharper, more detailed images from a greater distance. Whether you're an amateur photographer looking to enhance your skills, or a professional needing to capture high-quality images on the go, this 5x optical zoom could be a game-changer. With these advanced features, the iPhone 16 series is set to redefine what a pro smartphone experience should be. The future of mobile technology is right at your fingertips, and it's more interactive and intuitive than ever before. With the iPhone 16 series, Apple is once again pushing the boundaries of what's possible, offering you a user experience that's truly a cut above the rest. The iPhone 16 series isn't just a step forward, it's a leap into the future of mobile technology. Remember the key points we've discussed today: the game-changing AI features, the strategic shift of focus from hardware to artificial intelligence, and the advanced features of the Pro devices. Let's rewind a bit. We've talked about the dawn of revolutionary AI in mobile technology. The iPhone 16 series is expected to come with exclusive generative AI features. Although we don't have all the specifics yet, these features are likely to include text-to-image generation, document summarization, and content translation, among others. It's a powerful suite of tools that will redefine how we interact with our devices. We've also discussed a bold move by Apple, prioritizing AI over hardware. While the iPhone 16 series is not expected to come with major hardware changes, the focus is on the AI features. These are the key selling points for the upcoming devices. It's a strategic decision that shows Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mobile technology. And let's not forget the advanced features of the Pro devices. The Pro models will have a new capture button and a smaller dynamic islands. Plus, the 16 Pro device is rumored to boast a 5x optical zoom camera. It's a testament to Apple's dedication to delivering top-of-the-line devices that don't just meet but exceed user expectations. It's clear that the iPhone 16 series is more than just another iteration of Apple's iconic smartphone. It's a vision of the future, where artificial intelligence plays a central role in our daily lives. It's a future where our devices don't just respond to our commands, but anticipate our needs, streamline our tasks, and enhance our experiences. With the iPhone 16 series, Apple isn't just offering a smartphone, they're offering a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. So, are you ready to leap into the future with Apple? Thank you for tuning in to our deep dive into the revolutionary iPhone 16 series. If you've enjoyed this exploration of the future of mobile technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more content coming your way, from the latest tech news to in-depth analysis of groundbreaking innovations. Did you find this video informative? If so, we'd appreciate a thumbs up. And we'd love to hear your thoughts on the iPhone 16 series. Are you excited about the new AI features? Do you think Apple's strategic shift from hardware to AI is a game changer? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you think your friends would enjoy this video, feel free to share it with them. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the horizon.